Well, hola there. Just decided I haven't made a video in quite some time, so I decided, hey, I probably should. Once again, I'm in my beautiful ass, messy ass garage. Yeah. Amazing in here, isn't it? It's rather nipply though. It's like cold as hell out here. And this isn't really a jacket, it's like, it's just there to make me look sexier, I guess. So anyway, wow, feels like I'm talking to myself, just like, well, I'm gonna go ahead and play with an iPad, if I can get it open. You're just all jealous because you can't afford a beautiful iPad, huh? You're just not good enough. And it has a little keyboard. Look how nifty that keyboard is. Jealous. I'm gonna go on Facebook. You're gonna sit here and watch me be on Facebook. Watch. Ooh, it's logging in. It is logging in. It's logging in really slow. Okay, I'll do this later. I don't know why I'm doing this when I'm making a video. This is like pointless. I'm sorry that I'm making you watch this. I'm just so sorry. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that down. I feel bad for everybody that's like subscribed to me and watches me, because all my videos are just so pointless and none of you care. But better care, because if you don't, you know, I just have to cut your bitch ass. I swear to God, I'll stab the. Whoa, okay. Take it easy. Take it easy. This is what you're gonna watch me do. You're gonna watch me untangle my earbuds, because I have nothing better to do. This is why you don't leave them in your pocket all day. Okay, all better. Well, I'm clearly very lonely. Look at this. I have one message. Is that where the message is? I have one message. That's it. One. How lonely am I? No one even cares. No, it's just sad. Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. Not really. So once again, I guess I'm done. I didn't have anything entertaining to show you, like, someone needs to give me some amount of feedback. What do I need to do to entertain the goddamn people? Because 4 subscribers and like 20 video views, my channel means nothing. It's just sad. Oh, I know what I can do to entertain you. I'll play with zip ties. Hold on. Should I like zip tie myself to something and see if I can escape? I'm gonna zip tie myself to the freezer. Ready? You're gonna watch me right there. Is that good? Okay, you can see. Alright. How am I gonna... Okay, so this is not working. I need an assistant or something. Not cool. personal assistant. You know, just like work for free, like an intern. That's what you guys need to do. You're gonna work for free for me. You, whoever's watching this. Cut your bitch ass if you don't. Fun. Oh my god, I'm dizzy. Well, this is such a long video. I feel bad for whoever watched all this. Look at this broken glass. Isn't this depressing? Hey, look, it's me. Alright, Nick. If you're watching this, we'll see if your little trick works. Okay, yeah, it kind of works. Well, this is quality fucking glass. Oh, damn, okay. I don't know what you're talking about. Alright, I guess I'm going to call this one done because I just made you watch me for like 6 minutes. I'm sorry. You know what? I'm going to pull a Shane Dawson right now. This video is over. I don't have magical powers. I'm not Shane Dawson, okay?